HYPE is the High School Youth Preparation Higher Education Program. The main focus of HYPE and the mission is to prepare high schoolers for the college experience. So they start their junior year, they go through an after-school program at SPARC one time a week, and then they're able to come to Westchester University and participate in a summer program to generalize their skills.
Would have liked a program like HYPE because the college is really, it's a big transition for a lot of students, and I think the more programs that can benefit the transition and make it smoother, any more support is great for students.
The concept of HYPE has been in discussion and in planning for over a decade. In fact, one of our original goals in SPARC was to design a program that was specifically geared toward high school students. And over the last almost 14 years, we've tried a few different iterations of such a program. But it wasn't until we started meeting with WCU and Sherry that we were really able to develop the program in the way that we're able to present it now. And so it's really exciting because it's really been an independent goal of so many people in our community to have this program running. And now we're actually able to present HYPE to our community.
The biggest concern to transitioning into college after high school is the support services.
But I think we were missing a lot of support, and I'm glad to see that there's more support being developed because we definitely needed more.
At Westchester, our team consists of CAAPP staff, of Dr. Devereux from the chair of the special education department is in looking through the curriculums, helping us, give us input. Also having input from our director of Office of Services for Students with Disabilities. Most importantly, what we talk about is making sure that the voices of our CAAPP students, of the CAAPP students, of SPARC students, really being able to contribute to it, as well as the parents.
So within Devereux, we've been able to pull together staff with varied experience, from using Dr. Todd Harris, who's our National Director of Autism Services, and Dr. Megan Joy, who's our State Director, to the various staff at SPARC, as well as the CAAPP program at Devereux. We've been able to utilize input and insight from our young adults within the SPARC program to give us feedback on what we're working on specifically within the school year part of the HYPE program.
Definitely think I would have liked something like this, and I would have found it to be very, very helpful when I was in high school.
I had people telling me from these programs, yes, you can do this. You can do this. And that was the most exhilarating feeling, being able to have that independence, that confidence in myself, that yes, I can do this.